Hello, this is Stephanie from Reddick Library. I'm going to take you on a tour of the Access 360 app from Baker & Taylor. This free app can be used with your Reddick Library card to check out ebooks and audiobooks on your mobile device or tablet. Once you've logged in using your library card number and PIN, the homepage of the Access 360 app will open. First, we will take a tour of the app, then we will search for a book and check it out. On the main screen, you will see featured books and audiobooks. This is just a sampling of the Access 360 collection. Along the top of the screen is a magnifying glass icon. Tap on the icon to open a search box that you can use to search for specific titles or authors. To exit the search box, collapse the keyboard. Along the bottom of the screen is the toolbar. We will explore these tools from left to right. Tapping on My Library will return you to the home screen from whatever screen you are on. For example, if I were in the description of a book and I decided I wasn't ready to check out that book and wanted to go back to the search on the main screen, I can just tap My Library. I'll be returned to the home screen. Tap on Browse to find categories that can help you search for your favorite genres or subjects. Tap on Account to view your account information. On this screen, you will be able to view your library card, how many titles you have checked out, and how many titles you have on hold. You are allowed 5 checkouts and 5 holds at a time. On this screen, you can add a display name and email address. Adding your email address will allow you to be notified by email when your hold is ready. After you've filled in these optional fields, tap Save to save your changes. Tap My Stuff to see your checkouts, holds, and wish list. At the top of the checkouts and holds screen, you will see how many remaining checkouts and holds you have. Tap on the tabs to toggle between the screens. So I have 1 item checked out and I have 4 remaining checkouts left. I'm going to tap on Hold. I did place an item on hold, so I have 4 remaining holds left. And I put something on my wish list. Your wish list is a great place to keep a list of titles you'd like to read, but maybe you aren't ready to read them right now. Tap on More to see additional information about the app and your account. If you have questions about the app and need help, tap Help to find useful tutorials and answers to frequently asked questions. To exit Help, tap back on the top left of the screen. There are a few preferences that you can set on your account. Tap Preferences. On this screen, you can choose to turn off the autoplay feature on audiobooks. You can choose to have expired items automatically deleted when the checkout period is expired. And you can also choose whether or not to use cellular data when downloading files. The default setting for this is off. This will prevent data overages. To change any of these settings, toggle them on or off. You may be asked to confirm your choice. Once you are done setting your preferences, return to the home screen by tapping My Library in the toolbar. Next, we will search for and check out a book. Please watch our next video to learn how to browse the collection and check out books using the Access 360 app. For more information about this app, please visit the library's website. If you are having issues and need assistance, please email us at booklibrarian@reddicklibrary.org to set up a one-on-one online appointment with a knowledgeable staff member.